Welcome, friends. Today's topic is uses of fly ash. So let's get started. Here is the question. Explain how fly ash is used in civil construction work, or write down the applications of fly ash in preparation of different types of building materials. Here is the answer. Use in civil construction work. The following three practical applications are briefly discussed. Number 1, addition to mass concrete. The addition of fly ash to the mass concrete work or ready mixed concrete plants works as an admixture for concrete and imparts the following properties to the concrete. A point, aggregate reaction. B point, heat evolution. C point, permeability. D point, placing and finishing. E point, strength. F point, water requirement. So let's elaborate one by one. A point, aggregate reaction. The addition of fly ash decreases the cement aggregate reaction. B point, heat evolution. There is low heat evolution when fly ash is used for the preparation of concrete. C point, permeability, to improve the water tightness of the concrete. D point, placing and finishing. The fly ash permits easier placing of concrete and finishing because of the improvement in plasticity and cohesiveness of the mixture. E point, strength. The addition of fly ash improves the strength of concrete. F point, water requirement. The use of fly ash results either in small reduction or no change in the quantity of mixing water required per meter cube of concrete for a given consistency or slump. Second point, cellular concrete blocks. This is a lightweight building material. The cellular concrete blocks possess many technical advantages such as better strength to weight ratio, better sound insulation, stability to variations in temperatures and humidity, resistance to fire, low thermal conductivity, resistance to water seepage, etc. Third point, fly ash building bricks. The bricks industry is one important field in which the fly ash can be utilized as a major raw material. The chemical composition of clays and fly ash do not differ very much, and the residual carbon content in the fly ash brings economy in the fuel consumption during firing of bricks. The fly ash building bricks are superior to the conventional burnt bricks in shape, technical specifications, compressive strength, and impermeability. Fly ash building bricks are also about 20% light in weight and about 10 to 15% cheap as compared to the conventional bricks. So dear friends, this is all about uses of fly ash. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist of construction materials and building materials related videos in my channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment, and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction materials and building materials related videos fast. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.